I'm telling you, sir, the Allies found this on a Japanese warship. Wait, they did? Yeah. I don't believe it for myself. Since you found it, why don't you try to open it? Okay then, you guys better back off. Alright. Finally. Boss, the gunner open! Okay, let's see what we... Are you sure you did not unfold it? Unfold it? Oh, that's why I had to unfold such a thing. Let's see. We will fight allies. Oh, I wanna why I called you in here? Why'd you call me in here at this time? We intercepted a note from Japan, and now they want us to go in war. So, we're gonna give them war. What does that involve us? Well, you see this little ammo crate behind me, right? Yes. Let me open it real quick. Boom! Look at all those weapons. Wow, that's a lot of weapons. Get your own guns and we'll be ready. Sergeant, there's a single rocket launcher in here. You see this is gonna work? It will work. It's just a rocket launcher, but it would help you a lot. Alright then. Next, I guess. You're welcome. Now, who's ready for war? I am. Stop doing that. Alright. Well, I do have a question for you. Yes, what is it? How are we gonna find out where the Japanese are? Well, what's on your left? Oh, an airplane! Yes, don't crash it and don't destroy it. Alright, I might go on a test flight. Ugh, fits me pretty good. Can you turn it on? Let me see. Is this it? Oh, yes, that might be it. I think I'm doing it. I'm thinking, whoa! Whoa, I don't know how to find a stand. Wait, yes, I can. Wait. Oh, there's so many buttons here. What does this one do? Whoa, this thing shoots? Oh, I think I'm gonna shoot down there. Boss, are you supposed to plant this bomb on the American ship? Yes. We have been doing this for a couple weeks. Hold on. I'm seeing something. What is it? It's a plane! Get down! Okay! You got the bomb protected, right? Yeah. Whoops. Alright, we got all of our stuff ready. We got ammo and we got a bomb just in case. And wait, what's out the window? Oh! Oh! You're coming this way, sir. Not for long. Oh no! Mayday! Eject! Oh, where am I? I see you. And he's got a rocket launcher. Well, what? It should be. Oh, no! Crap! I think he's dead. Hold on, sir. Hold on, I'm intercepting the radio message. Wait, what? What's it say? This is T-187, Freddy. We need help. God, he is still alive. Can somebody get the allies to rescue him? Yeah, I'll do that right now. Thank you. Your allies won't be able to save you now.
So I'm supposed to take off this plane?
Yes, you're supposed to do that. Now make Australia proud.
So I'm supposed to save someone? Well, I just want to figure out what this button does do.
Always so dramatic with the allies. Any last words? Oh crap. You know it. Whoa. Looks like that tower had the ammo box all along. I mean, these were poorly constructed anyways.
Just get in the plane!
Get in the what?
Get in the plane!
Okay. Ah! What? Australia?
Yep, we are part of Australia. Now, let's get you back to your ship.
Alright then. Darn, I sure hope Freddy's okay.
Yeah, he's okay. And I have him.
Thank you, Australia. You really do help us in these situations.
No problem. Mind if I stick with you guys for a while?
Sure. There you are, Freddy. Our Top Gun Maverick. I know, right? And you, Pinkbear, you helped us out too.
Really?
Yeah, you saved our most valuable soldier.
Yay!
Now, Freddy, yeah? I think of you as our most valuable soldier. So, in honor of this, let's just go out with an American victory. What? An actual American victory? It's just a victory for us.